to increase the light in the kitchen, so we're gonna go ahead and remove those door sections and add some nice Gluechip glass. So late 1880s, Rosen and Evans created the first patent for chip glass. They were actually selling these for signs at banks, insurance, but mostly brewing and distilling industries. And the way Gluechip was achieved was by first sandblasting a regular glass and then applying animal hide glue that when it dried, it actually chipped the glass following like a nice or Fernald pattern. So let's see how the installation went. So now that the project is done, what do you think?
It's beautiful, brings a lot of lights in the kitchen. It was a lot of work, but I did everything. No, it's pretty, it's very nice, brings light, nice, how do we say, touch. Does it change my life? No. Does it increase the value of the house? Maybe, a little bit, but it's pretty.
And the decals, the numbers?
That it was hard to get because we have to order online and they were shipped from England. I don't know why we wouldn't find it here in America. They're not gold, they're stickers. We could afford gold numbers outside the door.
And that's it for this project. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next video.